Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grillin'. I'm Chris, and today I am going to try spatchcocking a chicken for the first time. We'll see how badly I mess it up, and then we're going to cook it on the wet kettle. Stick around and see if it works out. Okay, so I've never spatchcocked a chicken before, like I said, but I've watched plenty of videos, so I think I know how to do it. First, we gotta flip the bird over, and you need to locate the spine, which I got right here. I'm just gonna cut down there, and then down there, and pull that out. So I've got some kitchen shears here. How good they are, we're gonna find out. Actually, these are not too bad. Get into a few tighter spots here. Okay, there, that wasn't so bad. And then the other side, we're just going to do the exact same, and hopefully not cut out too much here. This bird is tough. There we go. There's the spine. I think that worked out pretty good. Now, next, this thing's not going to lay too flat because of right here, the sternum. So I'm going to use the sharpest knife that I've got here, and what you want to do is just make a little bit of a cut here in the breastbone. And go like so, and ta-da! The chicken will lay flat. So you're just going to want to tuck the wing tips underneath when you grill it. But next we're going to inject a little bit of flavor in here and choose a rub. So far so good. Now we will inject the bird with some Cajun injector Creole Garlic. It is some great stuff. And we're not going to put too much in here, but just enough in the breasts to add a little bit of flavor. And then over on the other side here as well. And you can see that one kind of got under the skin, which actually is not too bad. And then a little bit down here in the thighs as well. And maybe some of the drums. So you put in as much or as little as you want. It is entirely up to you. Breast. Alright, we're just going to let that sit for a little bit and let the meat absorb all of the marinade. Then we're going to come back and toss a rub on. Bird's been sitting for about a half an hour now, and I think the marinade has run its course and absorbed into the meat. So next we're going to throw some rub on it, and I'm just going to use the Traeger chicken rub. Nothing fancy. I like it because sugar is one of the first ingredients on here, not salt, and it's citrus and black pepper. So it's kind of a different flavor, but I like it because it's not super high in salt like a lot of the rubs that you can get nowadays, especially off-the-shelf rubs. So I should have put some olive oil or something down as a binder here first, but I didn't do that. But we're going to get in here really good with the rub and just kind of make sure that it sticks good. And we'll flip this over. We'll hit the meat side. I'm going to grab some olive oil and we're going to drizzle that over and use that as a binder. Just a little bit. You don't want a whole lot on here. And actually some of the marinade that kind of leaked out of the holes is working as a pretty good binder as well. So that's why you're not going to need a whole lot of the olive oil. There we go. And then get underneath the wings here too. Sometimes the wings will cook a little bit faster this way. Might be a little overdone. And underneath the drums as well. All right, so this is gonna sit for about 4 hours now, and the flavors of the rub are just kind of meld in there. And we're gonna get her on the kettle at about 4 o'clock, and hopefully it'll take no more than an hour. All right, I've got the kettle going up to temp. Got the chicken in there. I've got a temperature probe in the breast so we can get an idea of when this is going to be done. I'm going to pull it at about 165 in the breast, and then we'll probe in the thighs as well just to make sure they're done also. But I've got them closer to the fire, so hopefully they will cook a little bit more evenly. And that is a piece of pecan wood on there as well, just using the charcoal baskets. Hoping to cook this thing at about 300 so it doesn't take too long and we get a decently crispy skin. We'll check back in a little bit. So you might be able to see wintertime in Canada. Well, not even winter, I mean middle of November means it gets dark early. Anyway, that is what our chicken looks like so far. Internal temperature is running at about 140 right now. The skin though is not as crisp as I'd like it. So what I'm gonna do is get my tongs in here, and I'm gonna flip her over, move it a little bit closer to the coals, like that, and we'll see if we can crisp that skin up a little bit. Maybe not too close. There, more like that, and hopefully we'll get that skin crisped up and we'll be close to done. The chicken is all done. Pulled it off. The skin didn't get quite as crispy as I'd hoped, but not too bad. So we'll just cut a little piece off of the breast here to give it a try. Oh, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? All right, there's a piece of chicken we got. I'm gonna give it a try.
Tastes like chicken.
It does taste a lot like chicken.
It tastes a lot like chicken.
I don't know what we were expecting. Chicken. It looks good. It's a different way to do it. I'm not sure if I'm a huge fan of the doing it the spatchcock way, as opposed to doing them big easy.
Oh, relax.
Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and share it with your friends as well. Leave a comment down below. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe and then hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button.
Oh my goodness.
So you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.